Slowly. Slowly. It's December 10, 2018 and we are here in Burnham with Tahalia on her first boat ride. Okay?
Yes.
Is it nice?
Yes.
Nice? You like here?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Where is the house of Tahalia? What?
Down.
Dreamland. Okay. Look at the one, oh. There, oh. Oh. You see the one, oh. Oh. Duck. Oh. See? You see the water here, oh. Oh.
Picture ako isa.
Mamaya na lang, mamaya. Oh, there, oh, Talia. Very big, oh. There, oh. Oh. See that? Oh, duck. Oh. Oh, there, oh, Talia. There are plenty ducks, oh. There, look. Oh, you like that? Oh, you count it? Oh. What? Okay. Nice, ah. Oh. Nice to ride in the boat.
Yes.
See the water there, oh. Oh, see? Kiss Papa, kiss.
Nice.
Very nice.
Yes.
You like to row the boat? You like to do like that? You like? You can row the boat?
This here.
Okay. Oh, there's a duck. Oh, plenty ducks. Oh, look there. Oh. Look at the water there. Look at the water. See? You like to swim there? Huh?
Dancer.
What?
Dancer.
What?
There.
Dinosaur! Yes! Dinosaur! Yes! Okay. Where's SM?
Ah.
Where's SM? Where's the Ferris wheel? Okay. See, oh, there, oh, plenty ducks there, oh, see, oh. Wow! Oh, look at the duck. You sing it? May tatlong bibe akong natin. There's the duck again, oh, you see, oh. Nice?
Yes.
You like to ride again in the boat? Okay. Plenty boats, Tahalia, oh. Very nice. You like here?
Yes.
Okay. We will slide again. We will swing, huh?
Later.
Later. Okay. Okay. Plenty. Plenty boats, ano? Huh?